Welcome to Wild World News.
What's happening, y'all? So we got some Wild World News, and this is on World Star, so I expect it to be ratchet or crazy, but we'll see. Dude doesn't appear to be ratchet or crazy, but you never know. It says epic. Guy tells CBS News reporter what his plans are for the rest of the blizzard. Please don't be stay in the house and get some ass. Please, I just hope you don't say that. Alright, let's do this.
What's your advice on that?
Yeah, bundle up, but if you can, stay indoors.
What's your plan for the rest of the day?
Netflix and chill, baby.
What's your advice on that?
Yeah, bundle up, but if you can, stay indoors.
What's your plan for the rest of the day?
Netflix and chill, baby. Bye, nigga.
Jesus Christ. How did I know it was going to have to do with sex? I fucking knew it. I'm telling y'all right now, I'm serious. These black people acting a fucking fool on the news is plants. I'm telling you right now. This is just for ratings. Just watch our news. Make people fucking laugh and shit. I'm telling you, they plants. It ain't real. It ain't real. I don't believe it's real. I don't. People don't act like that when they get on camera, you know. But anyway, maybe some of them are real. But I really do think a lot of this shit is like extra. I think it's some fake shit. Post all your comments down below and let me know what y'all thought. Okay? If you enjoyed my video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And ratchet motherfuckers, stop getting on the goddamn air. 1 million subscribers. Woo!